Hello and welcome back to Choice of Voice UK. Great to have you here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. And if you've not been around before, we're here to help you on your voiceover journey, either starting it as a side hustle along with a full-time or a part-time job or other responsibilities, or alternatively, taking that part-time side hustle into something that's full-time. And that's something that I've done personally. So I'm here to help you along your journey. Right. This video, we're going to look at step 2 of taking that step into the voiceover career. Where do you start is often a question I get asked by many people who know that I'm in the voiceover business. Now, in our previous video, we covered step 1, and you can go back and I'll put a link to that in the top right hand corner. But in step 1, we looked at getting the sound right. It was all about treating the area in which you're going to record. And if you go back to that, there were 3 simple things to do within that. This week, we're going to look at step 2. And step 2 is all about your voice and using your voice and how it comes across when reading a script. And as part of this video, I'm going to give you a demonstration of exactly what I mean. So it's very easy when you get a script or when you get a piece of material to record, just to read the words. Let me just give you an example. Now, this is something that I've recorded for a client very, very recently, and it's all about blockchain. Now, you may know something about blockchain, you may not, but just get the idea of the script, and I'm going to give you a paragraph from it, and then I'm going to demonstrate it again a little bit later. So, with blockchain. Did you know that blockchain can be used to help protect the world's oceans and prevent fraud by tracking seafood from catch to plate? By simply scanning a barcode, consumers can now tell exactly where and when a specific fish was caught. This could not only play a key role in battling fraud in the seafood industry, but it could also stave off the problem of overfishing, as according to the UN's Food and Agricultural Organization, overfishing impacts more than 1/3 of the world's fish populations each year. Okay. So you're getting an idea. This is one of the reasons and one of the uses for blockchain. So it's very easy when you get a script just to go boom and the words. Now we'll look at the ways you can read scripts and all the rest of it in a later part. In other words, do you just do it by sight reading? Do you look at it beforehand, etc.? We'll cover that at another point. But the critical thing really when you get a script is not just thinking about it and go, right, okay, these are the words that I need to do. These are the words I need to emphasize. This is how I need to read it. It's, are you reading it from the heart? In other words, just think about this situation. Here, I'm trying to express and get across what blockchain technology can do to someone that doesn't know blockchain. So if you think about the individual that might be watching this, actually, do you know what? They've gone on YouTube, they've searched blockchain, and they've come up with this video. So actually what I want to get across to them is that actually blockchain is quite an exciting thing, and actually it could really, really help. And this is just one of the many ways in which it can help. So that's changed my mindset from, oh, I've got a script to read and I need to get this done, get it edited and get the job back, to actually feeling it with my heart and thinking, right, I need to be able to get this across to the viewer in a way that they're going to be able to take this in, think about it and understand what a use of blockchain is. So this video will really, really serve their purpose. So let's do that again. Did you know that blockchain can be used to help protect the world's oceans and prevent fraud by tracking seafood from catch to plate? By simply scanning a barcode, consumers can now tell exactly where and when a specific fish was caught. This could not only play a key role in battling fraud in the seafood industry, but it could also help stave off the problem of overfishing, as, according to the UN's Food and Agricultural Organization, overfishing impacts more than 1/3 of the world's fish populations each year. So that's the second read through. Did you notice the difference? Yeah, definitely with the pace, you would have certainly noticed the pace was slightly different there and sort of emphasizing different areas of it, but putting a bit more passion and a bit more heart into it. Now, not all scripts that you're going to get are going to want that sort of passion, and it's about thinking about the script that you've got, who you're trying to get it across to, and what it actually relates to. So the key bit here is, don't think of it as, I've got to read these words off a page, but you've got to feel it. You've got to imagine being it. If you can change that think to feel, you will steal the march with many voiceover artists, because a lot of people, when you hear it on the radio or on the television, although they are very, very directed, so the director knows exactly what they want to get across, but when you listen to voiceover in different circumstances, you'll hear potentially that the words are just read. They're not felt. If you can do that and be authentic with it, wow, you have just opened your route to your voiceover business. So this is step 2 of our 4-step look at how to start a voiceover business. And I really hope that has helped you. If it has, do let us know in the comments down below. Now, we'll be back very shortly with part 3 in our series, so don't go away. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, then you need to click that button, so when the video is launched, you can get to see it first. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Now, if I can help you any further, or you've got any comments about this video, do put them in the comments down below. Or alternatively, you can contact me personally through our website, which is choiceofvoice.co.uk, and you can go to the Contact Us section and you can send me a note there and I'll respond to you there. Great to have you here. Thank you so much for joining us here on Choice of Voice, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.